भाई हैप्पी बर्थडे। बूढ़े होते जा रहे हो, कर लो कुछ।
Hey Nakul, wish you happy birthday, man. Good to see you. You are still alive and still counting. You are older than me. God damn it, Cookie. Wishing you very happy birthday from Helsinki.
Modu bhai, happy birthday. I just have one thing to say in memories of all the things we've had together. तेरे मेरे साथ जो होता है सबके साथ वो होता नहीं. I just miss having you around me. हर चीज़ जो हम लोगों ने साथ में की है, पूना क्या पागलपन से लेकर के पूरा बचपन, पतंग उड़ाना, दारू पीना, गाने सुनना, तेरा गिटार सुनना, I miss all of these things. It might come off to you as a big surprise, but जितना फन मैंने तेरे दोस्तों के साथ में यूएस में किया है उतना अपने दोस्तों के साथ में भी नहीं किया है. That just goes on to say कि how special person you are. Have a great birthday.
Alright bye, happy birthday, many happy returns of the day, and I hope जब भी अपन मिले and you have your guitar and we can still sing, and this is a small something for you because I'm probably drunk. करे मेरा इंतजार मेरा बिछड़ा यार, मेरा बिछड़ा यार. I hope you have fun and I hope you get drunk. और ज़्यादा मत पीना. But there are two more people to wish you happy birthday. That's Alessia and Laura.
Happy birthday! Sorry if I'm not gonna sing. Ciao. Ciao.
You guys are assholes. Alright, bye. Take care. And again, many happy returns of the day. I will try and call you. But 20 को 21 को मैं भूल गया हूँ as usual. But enjoy. Ciao.
हाँ भाई तोतले, हैप्पी बर्थडे. अब मरा ले.
Happy birthday. Since we are bonded by Pearl Jam, I feel I have composed Happy Birthday Anywhere style. Hope you like it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like an uncle and act like one too. And the pictures have all been washed in black, tattooed everything.
Uncle, how are you? I hope everything is good और तेरा बर्थडे बहुत ही मस्त होने वाला है. So मेरी तरफ से very happy birthday and ऐसे ही रहना हमेशा बिंदास एकदम. और मुझे वो तेरा वो वाला डांस बहुत याद आता है यार. तू मेरा हीरो वाला डांस. जब भी वो गाना बजता है always remember you. And और बस यार और तो कुछ नहीं. होप हम जल्दी से मिले, तो जल्दी से वापस इंडिया आए और we plan a get together in a trip, an awesome trip. And happy birthday once again. Take care.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भार्गव अस्त्र.
तो आए हुए हैं पिकअप के लिए. पिकअप प्लान है हमारा, तो हम तो भाई हो गए पक्के. एनीवेज तू बता भाई क्या सीन है. मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई. दूधो नहाओ खुदो बलो और करो याशिया साइप्रस की भाई. चलो बढ़िया है. इंडिया आओ फिर मिलते हैं. मुझे चलना है रूमर्स आज. कैंडी नाइट है आज. सीन बनाते हैं ना. चल भाई वेरी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे वंस अगेन. चलो मिलते हैं. इंडिया आएगा तो मिलते हैं. चल बाय.
Hey Nakul, what's up? Wish you a very happy birthday, man. किस साल का हो गया तू? तो पक्का अंकल बन गया होगा. Anyways, cheers man, and to good times in the past. और क्या plans फिर शादी वादी के? Set? Cheers. Have a nice one.
To you, happy birthday to you, Happy birthday, dear uncle. Happy birthday to you. I really wish you a very rocking year ahead. I really hope you get at least 4 business trips to India, and please make sure that you stay in Gurgaon this time so that we can party hard. There are a lot of parties pending. So go to Napa, have fun like we had before, and get drunk, get high, and I really want you to visit at least 10 bars on your birthday night, and I want pictures from all of those bars. So party hard, cheers, have a wonderful year.
इंडिया से मस्त गिटार बजाते रहे, गाने गाते रहे. कीप रॉकिंग, एंजॉय योर बर्थडे.
A very happy birthday. Some snack bars for you and some waffles for me on your birthday. You are missing the waffles. A very happy birthday. Hope you have a good one. Bye bye.
Hi. हाँ भाई, हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Nagul. God bless you.
बस ये सब तो मैं बोलता नहीं तो ठीक.
Happy birthday, Nakle.
Hi Nakul, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. Have an awesome one. Have a kick-ass birthday. Party hard. I miss you so much. I wish you were in Pune here to celebrate your birthday. But I do know that you'll be back here soon. I miss you. Come back soon. Lots of love.
विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे बड़ी. एंड तेरी बर्थडे पे तेरे बिहाफ पे मैं एक कैंडल ब्लो ऑफ करता हूँ और एक छोटा सा मफिन ऑन योर बिहाफ. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर नकलू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. चीयर्स मैन. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. दिस इज फॉर यू कुत्ते.
Hey Edie, I miss you. It's your big day here. That's my school. I'm not bragging. I'm just showing you because you have not visited me here. I'll show you around once I've done the video a little bit. I wish I was cutting your cake here. I wish we were all together. कैसा है यार? बहुत दिन हो गए. We have grown up a lot since we were together 10 years back. That's a long time. I read somewhere that if you're together for 10 years, then you probably stay friends forever. That's just statistics though. Anyways, let's get down to the chase. Happy birthday. I miss you. I wish you were here. It's bright and sunny now. Feels good. Snow is almost gone. It's supposed to snow tomorrow though. I don't know. I have to tell you a few more things. We'll Skype once you're free on weekend. Okay? As you begin your birthday. Once again, happy birthday from New York. And I miss you. Take care, okay? I'll show you a small snapshot where I'm sitting. That's sun, and that's me again. Okay, happy birthday. I miss you and take care. Bye, baby.
हाँ नकुल, हैप्पी बर्थडे. ऑफिस में ज़्यादा देर चला नहीं सकता. मज़ा कर. कितने साल का हो गया? 31. मनन को भी मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल देना अगर मिले तो. ठीक है?
Happy birthday, Nakul. Hope this birthday is better than any birthdays that we celebrated at Brahma Avenue. So, I think one person I know who would say yes to anything I ask, that would be you. So stay the way you are. Cheers to this birthday and many more to come. Many happy returns of the day.
Yo man, Naklu, what's up? What's up? Sup man, how you been? Happy birthday. मुझे पता है इस तरह से सब मना रहे हैं तेरा बर्थडे एंड पता नहीं अजीब सा भी लग रहा है बिकॉज कभी ऐसा बर्थडे मनाया तो नहीं तेरा. हॉस्टल में तो तुझे याद ही है कैसे मनाते हैं. बट एनीवेज मैन, आई मीन great job Vaishali, and I just wish you come back and celebrate birthday with us like adults sort of. And I just wish you all the success, happiness, you know, in your life. And important thing is like be as crazy as you are always. And love you man, and just come back as soon as possible. But before you come back, just make sure कि मेरा bachelor's, you know, अच्छे से execute हो जाए Cyprus में. I hope you remember that. All right. Take care, man.
Yo, honey, sing. What's up? So I've been asked to send a video long back, but you know how I am. So here is this might be a last minute entry, but here it is. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. May you get all that you want and all that you desire and all the happiness around this world. You are the most annoying and the most amazing person to me at the same time, because no one bugs me better than you and no one supports me better than you. So thanks for being there. I don't know what my life would be if you weren't there. So thank you, thanks for being there. Happy birthday, enjoy the day, and this is my gift, but मेरी treat due है.
बार बार दिल ये गाए तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Monu. Happy birthday to dear Monu.
Nakla, you happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead. And this is for you. When something's dark, you want to put a little light on it. When something's cold, you want to put a little fire on it. When something's old, you want to put a little shine on it. When something's young, you want to hug it all over again. Hug it all over again. When something's broke, you want to put a little fixing on it. When something's bored, you want to put a little exciting on it. When something's low, you want to put a little high on it. When something's wrong, you want to fight to get it right again. Fight to get it right again. Bye bye. Have a nice day and party lot. Have fun.
This is for you. Finally.
This you can never do because you're
a loser. You are a loser.
Adere, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Nakul.
3.
Happy birthday, Nakul.
Happy 30th birthday. अब ये मत बोला. अबे यार 30th किसने बोला बे?
Hey Nakul, happy birthday.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday from Aam Aadmi.
I wish we will keep arguing as we do.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Kake.
Many happy returns of the day. Hi Nakul, many more happy returns of the day. Nakul, you are one of the coolest guy I have ever met. To keep this attitude alive all the time.
Happy birthday Nakul. May you get all success in your life. Always be remain as you are. Never ever change.
So Nakul के लिए एक birthday song है?
आप रहने दो, हमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Okay Nakul, so this birthday song is just for you.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Come on. Come on, I'm getting anxious. I'm trying to do it faster. Body. Cool, this is for you.
Start.
बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार
When something's bad, you wanna put on it. When something's old, you wanna put a little.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.